What's up guys, Tom here from NGBMX, and today I'm going to be doing a really quick review on my bike. So today, to start off, we have the normal chain, just a regular old chain. The sprocket, I have 23 in the front I think, and 9 in the back. I have a cassette hub. I also have pretty worn down stock tyres, that Diamondback tyres, and I have regular old one-piece crank, stock pedals. Shout out to Natural Cycles for providing me with this bike. I have the sickest seat in the world. It's a leopard print seat with a gold stem. I have a crack in my frame, another crack in my frame. It's not a crack, but it's, you know. So I have orange forks to go with my frame. I have more orange forks, obviously. I have just a normal wheel in the front, same tyre as the back. Yes, black spokes in both. So I have the Colt grips and just regular orange bars. Pretty scratched there. But yeah, broken. And on the other side, same. My dad gave me some of this, which is Kinesio tape. He gave me a little blob of it, and I cut it around it and stuck it onto my bars. Okay, so moving on to my frame. Actually, no, my stem. Just a regular stem. I have one back brake going through to the back, obviously. I have a regular orange frame, which is a sick frame. It's holding up good. I'm surprised of how strong it's been so far. I would if this wasn't any stronger, I would reckon it would have a crack in it by now from the street stuff that I do. A lot of high jumps, and I've hurt my ankle, so I can't really ride that well. So I have the orange frame. It's a pretty basic Diamondback frame. There's not much I can say about it. Diamondback. Okay, so seeing as my seat's the coolest thing in the world, it's just got to show its bling off. So this is the newest thing that I have, which is this. That's a new thing. But some of the best things is my new Dusties. I have new Dusties, and they look sick. They are Dice Dusties, and they always roll sixes. I'm joking. But they're Dice Dusties, and they look absolutely sick on this bike. I have some Advanced Warfare stickers on both sides of my forks. But yeah, that's pretty much my bike so far. I will always do a little video. Oh, nice and blurry. I will always do a little video to show you as soon as I get something new for my bike, I'll always do a video to show you. So, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned in the channel. Subscribe if you're new, and leave a like and a comment down below. I will answer all the comments that you leave. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and this has been my bike check. Bye.